Hey guys, and welcome to the second lesson in our course. In the previous lesson, we studied data types in Python and how to print them. So today, we're gonna learn a new concept in programming called variable. So, maybe someone will ask me now, Omar, why do we need something called a variable in our program? So, I will answer you by a question. If you are a programmer in Facebook, and there is a new user want to register a new account. So, you will ask him about his name. He will answer you, my name is, for example, Mark. Okay? So, his name for you is a data of string. Okay? Okay. Now, the question. Where will you store it? Where will you store the data? Where will you store his name? So, and this is where variables come in. Okay, guys? I hope it's clear. So now you will define a variable. Maybe you will call it name equal Mark. Okay? And maybe also you will ask him about his age. So you should go and define a new variable called age and store his age inside it. Okay? Let's say 25. Okay. I hope the idea of variables is clear now. So, how can we print the value of any variable? Very simply, you go and type print age and run the program. You will say it printed 25. Okay, guys? Okay. So, I will ask you a question now. We have two variables now. First variable called name and second variable called age. So, if I ask you, what is the type of first variable? Okay. Here, you should look what is the value into this variable. The value is Mark. Okay. Mark is a string data, right? So, you say the variable type is string. Okay? Okay, Omar, but how can I make sure that that is true? Okay, very simply, come and type print type of name. Okay? Very simply. And it will say it is string. Okay, guys? Okay. Okay. Another question. What is the type of age? Very simple. It is integer, right? Let's come and make sure. The first variable is string. The second variable is integer. Okay, guys? So, let's talk more about variables and take another exercise on them. Let's say we have a variable called a has a value of 5 and another variable called b have a value of 10. Okay, if I say third variable called result has a value of a plus b. Okay, if I come and print result, take a second and think. In your opinion, what it will print? So very simply, you will say it will print 15. Okay? So, I'll give you another exercise to solve it with yourself. And I hope you write your answer in the comments, okay? Let's come and say we have a variable called q has a value of 5 and another variable called y has a value of 10 and x has a value of 2. If I say r equal q plus y times x, and I come and print r, I hope it will ease you to solve this exercise. And that's all for today. In the next lesson, we will make our program talk to us by taking input from the user. See you there and goodbye.